intended to hurt anyone here.
I would have done so already.
So today I am showing you guys my full-on Alastor cosplay. It is awesome. I love it so much. It doesn't look exactly like Alastor, but I still love it, so it's kind of Alastor inspired then. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys today how I put the makeup on and just everything else. So let me show you. I am coloring my face where I'm outlined with gray face paint, so I'm using some black face paint and white face paint and mixing it together to create a gray tone, and I'm just going to fill my face in. This is my face is finally covered in all gray and some of my neck as well. So I got this from Dollar Tree. It is this metallic color strip and it's shimmery. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm gonna add it as highlights to the gray areas. I'm gonna do the eyebrows. So the eyebrows are black and there are some red for the eyeshadow, so I'm gonna do that. And when I do face paint, I usually like to overlay it sometimes with eyeshadow just to make it pop out more. So that's what I'm doing with the red, and then I'm adding some black around the eyes. And right now I feel like I look like Dracula for some reason. I don't know why, it just looks like Dracula to me.
Darling.
Lips, I'm gonna do a point in lip and just extend it. Not too happy with the makeup honestly, but it's fine, you know. Maybe the contacts will make it better. Now it's time to put everything on. Got my button-up shirt and it's red. I have this Victorian-esque jacket. This is the bow tie I made. Has some little embellishments and whatnots. And an eye, of course. Move on to the wig. Looks like a mess, but let's see. I feel like I look like a vampire so far. So these are a pair of glasses, and I just popped out one of the lenses to be more monocle-esque. Let's see. And the headband. I am so excited to show you guys. So this was my first time making ears. This is actually made out of a moldable plastic I made the antlers out of. It was popsicle sticks and then layered with plastic. Now the ears are actually really interesting because I made them out of yarn. So you take yarn and you just brush it out and it creates this cool effect. So those are my ears and antlers. Anna, it's messing up everything. That is my full Alastor cosplay. I really love the ears. They're so big and floofy. They're just floofy ears. And I decided to put my hair back in this ponytail thing because I thought it looked better, and it does. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, I have another Hazbin Hotel cosplay that's gonna come. And I just love Alastor so much. He is my favorite character. Who is your favorite character from Hazbin Hotel? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video, darling.